Dear students, good morning everybody. Today we are going to take up the analyzation of the velocity time graph in which body is moving with uniform acceleration. I mean to say, using this graph we can find out the distance covered by the body in given time, and also we can calculate the acceleration of the body. First, let us see how to calculate the distance covered by the body in given time. As I said earlier, to calculate the distance from the velocity time graph, we will take up the area. This area we will take it up. What is the shape of this area covered? If you observe carefully, you will find that it is ABCD trapezium. I mean to say, if you find the ABCD trapezium, area of the ABCD trapezium, then you will get it. Let us see here. So, distance is equal to area of trapezium. Trapezium I am writing short form TRP. ABCD, its name is ABCD. Okay, this I can write it as sum of the two figures, that is ABED rectangle plus area of the rectangle BEC. I mean to say, area of the trapezium can be converted into sum of the two figures, that is two shapes ABED rectangle and BEC triangle. I am writing here area of ABED plus area of triangle BEC, just you see, that is equal to ABED means AB multiplied by AD. We will write it AB multiplied by AD plus area of the triangle is half into base into height. Base is AD into height is CE. Just you see, this is the height, this is AD. AD means truly speaking BE. BE can be written as a AD also. Just I will write it first BE, then I will write it as BD. So, AB into AD plus half into, see, BE is equal to AD because it is a rectangle, therefore I write it as a AD now, multiplied by CE can be written as CD minus DE. I repeat it, CD can be written as CE can be written as CD minus ED, CD minus ED. Okay. Then we will substitute all the values of A, B, C, D and all those things. Let us see here. AB is nothing but this height. This height is represented by 10. We will write it here. That is 10 meter per second multiplied by AD. AD is the time difference, T1, T2 difference. That is 10 minus 4. 10 minus 4, 6 I am writing directly. Plus half into AD. Again AD means time difference. That is 6 multiplied by CD minus ED. CD means this much height, full height 25, minus ED. ED means this much, that is 25 minus 10 it is. That is equal to 10 6 are 60 plus half into 6 into bracket is to be opened first 15. 25 minus 10 is 15. 2 1s are 2 3s are. That is going to be 60 plus 30, 15 3s are 45. That is going to be 105. We are calculating the distance and we are taking here velocity in meter per second, time in second. Therefore, we will get the distance in meter. This is the answer. How to calculate the distance I explained you here. Okay. Now, we will see the next one. Now, I explain how to calculate the acceleration from the same velocity time graph. You know very well, this graph is drawn from uniform acceleration. Already we have discussed about that one. So, we can calculate the acceleration from this graph. To calculate the acceleration, what we do is that we will find out the slope. acceleration is equal to slope. What is slope? I will tell you. Acceleration symbol is A. Slope is that CE by BE is the slope. CE by BE. CE, that is which is parallel to the y axis. BE is which is parallel to the x axis. In the coordinate geometry in higher classes you are going to learn more about it. For time being, just CE by BE. CE is nothing but CD minus ED. Already we have seen CD minus DE. BE is equal to AD. BE is equal to AD because it is a rectangle. So BE ka jagah mein just I can write it as AD. Okay. Now what is the value of CD? Let us say CD value is this much, which is represented here, that is 25. Actually we can write it as a V2, truly speaking. This is representing velocity 2 minus DE, which is representing V1 by AD is nothing but T2 minus T1, and according to the definition of the acceleration also, you know very well, it is rate of change of velocity. Like that also from the graph we have got the same thing. What is V2 value? We can say it is 25 minus V1 value is 10 by T2 value is 10 minus T1 value is 4. That is going to be 25 minus 10 is 15 by 6. 15 by 6 means, you know very well, 3 2s are 3 5s are, so 5 by 2, that is equal to 2.5. you have got it. What is the unit of this 2.5? We are finding the acceleration. Acceleration unit you know very well, meter per second square. So this is meter per second square. Finally we have got the answer 2.5 meter per second square. You have to remember that the acceleration unit is second square will come, meter per second square will come. Okay, this is what I'd like to tell you, the analyzation of the graphs. I mean to say that we can find out the from the uniform velocity graph we can calculate the distance, which we have seen already on the top of the graph. You see here, finally we have seen that. Okay, now next one is, just you see, we can find out from the uniform acceleration graph calculation of the distance also, calculation of the acceleration also. My dear students, you might have understood it very well. All of you watch the video and give the comment in comment section of YouTube, and if you want to give any suggestion also, be frank to give the suggestions. I will implement it for the further improvement of the videos. Thank you very much for watching. Please give the comment.